Welcome to Samba Samba. Enjoy the video.
You start by confirming the caseback type and battery model. Ebel commonly uses a 155V silver oxide cell. Once confirmed, position the watch face down on a soft pad and secure it so it won't move. Use the correct screwdriver for screws, do not force. If snap back, insert a thin flat tool at the notch and gently pry. If screw down, use an appropriate case wrench. Make sure to keep small parts organized in a tray. Once the case is open, you'll see a dust cover or movement spacer. Lift it slowly and note how it sits for reassembly. Next, locate the battery retainer. It may be a small screw or spring clip, and loosen it. Do this slowly so you don't bend contacts. Use plastic tweezers to lift the old battery straight out. Metal tools can short the circuit. If the battery is under a bridge, remove the retaining screws first and keep track of their order. You now seat the new 155V cell with the positive side up, making sure it lies flat and the contacts touch firmly. A poor contact causes intermittent running. Once seated, replace the retainer and dust cover in the exact order you removed them, and inspect the gasket. If brittle, replace it and lightly lubricate with silicone grease. Close the case evenly, then set the crown and observe the watch for several minutes. If it doesn't run, recheck polarity and contact.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.